Today, we'll be learning how to log into Little Sponges using ClassLink. Let's start by going to the ClassLink login page. In any web browser, whether a mobile phone, tablet, or computer, open up a web browser. You can go to the address bar and we'll type in the following website: launchpad.classlink.com/ACA-EDU. This takes us directly to the Arlington Classics Academy ClassLink login page. Here, students can sign in with their Google account, or they can use the Quick Card to log in with more ease. By clicking on the QR code, the students can use their device camera in order to log in. Please request this information from your homeroom teacher if you do not have it at home. Once logged into ClassLink, your Launchpad will appear where you can select Little Sponges from the list of icons. To make accessing Little Sponges even easier, students and teachers can favorite the Little Sponges icon on their Launchpad. To do this, simply hover over the icon, right-click, and select Add to Favorites. You'll notice that you get a confirmation that it's been added to the favorites, and it'll now appear in the bottom dock of the Launchpad, where you can simply click on it to launch Little Sponges. As soon as students log into ClassLink, they will be presented with the course selection page, where they can select Spanish Full Immersion or English Full Immersion. Here, after they select the course, they are presented with the adventure map, where they can begin their learning journey. Thank you for taking the time to learn about ClassLink login at home. If you have any questions, you can contact us directly at www.little-sponges.com/contact-us. Alternatively, you can reach out to your homeroom teacher for further questions. Thank you.